Haley, come here. Where's Bubba? Where's Bubba? Come here. Where's Bubba? Are you trying to find him? You are? Where is he? Haley Grace, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You gonna put Bubba's shoes on? Huh? You look awful cute in those glasses, pretty girl. Hey, Haley. Haley, where's Bubba? Haley Grace, where's Bubba? Bubba! Bubba, where is he? I don't think he's in Mommy's room. I don't think he's in there. Where is he? Where's he at? Bubba, where's he at? Is that what you're saying? Where's he at? Yeah. Is he upstairs? Huh? Did you forget you have those cute little glasses on? Haley, look! Look, he's up here. Come here. Come here, Haley. Come here. Look. Come here, pretty girl. Come on. Look at Bubba. Come here. Haley Grace, look it. There he is. There he is. There he is. You found him. You found him. What's he gonna do now? No, you can't go upstairs right now. No, ma'am. No, you can't go upstairs right now. No. No, you can't go up there. Can you say, Haley, tell Mommy, say bye. Say bye. You going bye-bye? Huh? Where are you going? That TV is awful loud. Are you gonna dance? There you go, dance. There we go. Dance, baby girl. Look at you. Look at you. Yay. You've got some skills. Where are you going now? Huh? Where are you going? Haley, look at Mommy. Haley, bye-bye. Bye. Are you going to dance some more? Yeah? Bye-bye. Oh, are you going to dance? Uh-oh, ow. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Oh, pretty girl. You want to sit up? Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. What are you going to do now? Are you going to dance some more? Oh, so sad face.